If you want to effectively review agent performance with custom metrics, you're in the right place. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of how to set up, measure, and analyze custom metrics that make reviewing agent performance straightforward and actionable. First, let's talk about why custom metrics are crucial for assessing agent performance. Traditional KPIs are good, but they're often too generic. Custom metrics give you the ability to tailor performance measurements to fit the unique needs of your team and business. You'll be able to pinpoint exactly where agents are excelling and where they need improvement. To start, identify the key areas you want to focus on. Maybe it's average handling time, customer satisfaction scores, or conversion rates. With custom metrics, you can dig deeper into each of these areas. For instance, if you want to track how quickly agents resolve customer issues, you can set a custom metric to measure time to resolution for each case. This helps you understand not just how long it takes, but whether the solution provided was effective. Next, choose a software that supports custom metric tracking. We've tested several, and the one we recommend offers an easy way to set up and track these metrics, specifically designed for agent performance. You can track everything from call quality to follow-up completion rates. If you want to follow along, check out the exclusive free trial in the description below. Once your custom metrics are set up, start monitoring performance regularly. It's important to look at trends over time instead of just focusing on one-off results. For example, if you're tracking customer satisfaction scores, you may notice a drop over the course of a month. Instead of just marking that as a negative, look at the context. Were there any external factors? Did agents change their approach? This data helps you spot patterns that could inform training or process changes. Now, here's where custom metrics really shine. Personalized feedback. When you provide agents with data that directly correlates to their performance, they can act on it immediately. Instead of vague feedback like improve customer service, you can say, your resolution time is above average, but your customer satisfaction score is lower than expected. This specific feedback can drive improvement and keep agents motivated. Another key point is to set goals based on your custom metrics. For example, if you want to improve your team's response time, set a clear target for how much faster responses should be within a set time frame. These goals should be challenging but achievable. Make sure agents know exactly what they're working toward and why it matters. Now let's quickly recap the key steps to reviewing agent performance with custom metrics. First, identify the key areas you want to focus on. Second, choose software that lets you track custom metrics and tailor them to your needs. Third, monitor the metrics regularly to spot trends, not just outliers. Fourth, provide specific feedback based on the data you collect. Finally, set clear, achievable goals for your agents. As a key takeaway, remember that custom metrics allow you to review agent performance in a way that aligns with your business needs, offering both specificity and actionable insights. The right metrics can help you enhance performance, increase agent motivation, and drive results that matter to your business. And before you go, don't forget to take advantage of the exclusive free trial linked below to test out the software we've been using. It's a great way to start implementing custom metrics and improving your team's performance right away. Thanks for watching.